Hoong-A, as a leading manufacturer of automatic packaging machinery in the pharmaceutical, bio, nutritional supplement industry, has consistently maintained its belief in healthy lives of consumers and values of customers. And now, we are moving toward a 100-year company after 50 years of history. The entire automated line, which is based on Hoong-A's Blister and Cartoner, fully delivers the value of the product to consumers. By implementing a fully automatic packaging system, which is aimed to minimize human error, we offer not only the highest quality of packaging that completely protects products, but also facilitates in compliance with GMP requirements that support efficient and reliable production of products. We proudly introduce our transparent history management system using serial number and constantly innovating technology to ensure safely protected products from production to sales and makes lives of consumers healthier. In order for more customers to fully experience our packaging line in various environments, we build a flexible service system and propose solutions optimized for our customers. Based on excellent technology and know-how, we provide a variety of packaging lines tailored to customer characteristics. We offer user-friendly structure that allows easy access to major parts, including mold for easy maintenance. The web browser-based smart production management system for monitoring anytime, anywhere. And remote control access for dramatic upgrade of user convenience. All of these innovations are built on our belief, mutual respect, mutual prosperity. We create a safe working environment for employees and respect our partners along the belief that a healthy culture creates a healthy society. Recognized on the world stage based on trust, we are moving forward as a global standard company. Hoong-A will continue to maintain all the values of the world healthy and contribute to the sustainable future. Packaging all the greatest and healthiest value. Hoong-A.